My name is Jotham Muhwana. I'm the owner of the Karen Riding School. And we train our riders to be jockeys, polos, and the race, and then polo players there, and show jumpers there. And our school is located along Marula Lane, Karen. Has very tamed and calm horses there. And I would advise all the riders, learners to join our school because we have affordable charges and all that. We do also do horse riding hacking, which is trailing outside and going via Ololo Forest and up to the peaks of Ngong Hills. We teach all ages. Whoever is willing to have lessons to learn more about horses, you are most welcome to our riding school.